Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Shan. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. There are loads of different helpful videos on this channel. I'm sure you'll find something that you like. I've been challenged by Wilko to transform this small space of our garden for only £75. I'm going to show you the fantastic products I've chosen from the Wilko range. They are all really good quality but at a fantastic price. I'm not entirely sure where it's going to go out here, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and even if I don't use it outside, I will pop a succulent in it and use it inside. I got this silver effect obelisk and I shall put that together in a moment. That is to go in this giant pot. This is absolutely huge, and I'm going to plant some sweet peas in there. So I'm hoping I'll have the pot with the obelisk on top and the sweet peas will simply grow up it, which will make just the most incredible smell. To go in the bottom of the pot, I got these. They're called hydro balls and they're really clever, and what they do is they aerate and help hydration within your plant. Another decorative thing I got are these solar panel clip light bulbs. Now these are amazing. So solar panel part on the top, a nice little light inside, and you simply clip them onto wherever you want them to go, and then they light up at night. I got a pack of 6 of those and I think they're going to look really fantastic when it starts to get darker at night. I also got these super cute little milk bottles. They're all different colours. I've got green, pink and blue, and they also come with a little straw, and I just think those are so cute. They'll be great for the kids' drinks, but you could also slip a cheeky gin and tonic into one as well, for the adults of course. And there's one more thing. You can't have a sea of tranquility without somewhere to sit. So, a deck chair. I think I'm probably going to put this up last though. Right, I better crack on. The first thing I'm going to do is to fill this with soil. I already had some compost, but if you don't have compost, then obviously Wilko sell their own compost, which is a very reasonable price, so I definitely recommend getting that. Okay, so that is full of soil, as you can see, and I'm going to put this over behind me. There's like an old manhole cover, so I'm going to pop it on there. Now let's turn this to this. That's pretty impressive and definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I've only put it together with my hands for now, so I'm going to get a screwdriver and tighten it a bit. What I hadn't realised is whilst I've been building this, I've lost my pot to a cat. So I'm going to go try and out the cat and pop this on top of the pot. Let's plant some of these sweet peas too, and then hopefully they will go trailing all the way up that and just smell amazing. Peas planted. Let's put the light bulbs everywhere. To turn these on, you just have to take off the top, and then there's a little on switch in there. Obviously they're not going to light up right now, but they're going to be gaining loads of power from the solar part. Right, I'm going to attempt to do the deck chair now. Please don't laugh. Here goes. The challenge Wilko gave me was to transform a small part of my garden for £75, and I think I've definitely managed it here. Although it's just a small transformation, it makes a huge difference to us, and the great thing about these products is that they're really versatile, so you can use them in any different part of the garden, and Wilko has products for you for the garden no matter how big or how small your project, and they're all really affordable and really good quality too. This deck chair behind me is absolutely fantastic. It's so comfortable and it looks really good too, and I really didn't expect to get all of this for just £75. Don't forget I also got a little hanging basket as well that's going to go inside, I think, because I can't find anywhere to hang it from out here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to, please subscribe. And now I'm off to enjoy my tranquil garden transformation. Cheers!